This is Nessa from Infinitely Zero's channel. Today is Sunday, January 28th, and just wanted to show you guys real quick the Darn Good Yarn January monthly subscription box yarn that I got. So yeah, I'm signed up for the monthly subscription and wanted to unbox that and show that to you guys real quick. And I'm also wearing my Warm Up America hoodie. Again, that's an organization, if you haven't heard in my other videos, that is a nonprofit organization. It's a charity for knit and crochet projects that you can do and then donate to different parts of the U.S. They're based out of Texas. You can send it to them or you can donate the items locally and then just let them know. They have their own website as well. So anyways, back to Darn Good Yarns. This was the January yarn of the month. It's beautiful. I love it. It's Iceland Hot Springs is the theme. This year they're doing a theme that's like kind of wanderlust, traveling all around the world. It's a DK weight recycled silk yarn from reclaimed saris. It actually doesn't have the really strong smell that the other ones did from the previous months, so that's great because the smell that they would come with really bothered me before. And I love that this one's actually a little thicker than their sport their twisted ones that they used to send out. So that's like a really nice DK weight. So these are the specs. Let's have the camera focus on that and I'll read them to you. It's a DK weight category 3 yarn. It's hand washed, lay flat to dry, 50 grams or 135 yards. It has no dye lot. It's hand dyed. It's 1.8 ounces or 123 meters as well. They recommend a 5mm crochet hook, which is an H, or 4mm knitting needles. It's written pretty small. So you actually get 3 in the subscription box. I think it's 25 bucks. And then it's flat rate shipping either in the US or international. I think the flat rate shipping is like $3.95. I decided I love this one so much that I paid to get the extra little cake or skein. And that's an extra $8 for that. You get a free gift. So this month's gift was the pom-pom maker from Darn Good Yarns. And that came with, it's like a little kit. So it comes with a little fur and then these little balls that you cover the fur in. It has another little fur thing, so you can make 2, and then it has like the thread, the needle, and those are like metal snap pins that you can put onto the hoodie and make your pom-poms removable. And I believe it also comes with instructions on how to do that. So yeah, so you see you cover it up and sew it up. Because you gotta sew the fur onto the little ball. And also this month, which is different, it comes with a booklet. So that's pretty cool. And they talk about the wanderlust, the theme, about their team. They actually give you a pattern for a beanie. With the skill easy, 1 crocheted and 1 knit, and that's in the booklet. And they also talk to you about the maker, which is very cool. Sorry that it's backwards, that's just how it is. And then the back page is actually your extra perks for being a monthly club yarn kit subscriber. So you get an extra free pattern and they give you the code for that you can put in. You also get 35% off for your next purchase. And you also get to be part of a special Facebook group just for monthly yarn kit subscribers. And yeah, and it talks a little bit about the company there in the back and here, which I really like that they've been doing. They have like a little blurb about the person that made the yarn. Oh, that's not focusing on him. There we go. Sorry, it's backwards. I'm not sure how to flip that. It says, welcome to the hot springs. Indulge in the beauty of Iceland's captivating landscapes with hot springs and mesmerizing tribute in DK weight recycled silk. Immerse yourself in the icy blues and deep sapphire hues that echo the serene beauty of Icelandic vistas. Allow this yarn to be your gateway to the mystical wonders of Iceland, inviting you to explore the frozen waters and glacial tones that inspire the luxurious yarn. I've actually been to Iceland, and I've actually been to their thermal waters is there that's green and blue. So it said, meet Gurusidapa. Sorry for the mispronunciation. He has worked for darngoodyarn since 2017. He works on the beautiful yarns you receive as a Yarn of the Month Club member. And your subscription has helped pay for the cataract surgery he needed to repair his vision and get him back to the workroom. So that's real nice to know. Anyways, so yeah, so very excited about that. So I started to do, thanks Mama G Gear for the shout out yesterday on your live, guys. Check out her channel, and if not, the replay. Also thank you Michi from Michi's Crochet Nook also for the shout out, and she just hit 1,000 subscribers. She has a live going on today, so please check that out, and she needs watch hours, so if you guys have time, please go over there and watch. Jackie also from Jack's Creations needs watch hours, and what else? So from Juan the Yarn Addict, he's doing a blanket make-along winter cowl and also a squares one. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the squares one, but I did start last night the blanket one. So this is actually week 1. It's a free crochet along, which is also called as a cowl. There's more information on his Facebook group, and there's also free video tutorials on his YouTube channel, so check that out. And he goes live today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Michi's live is 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. I've been also working on one of my old works in progress, which is this. Isn't that pretty? So it's a modern granny, and it's actually being done with Magic Light DK weight yarn from Ice Yarns. And I'm also working on another sweater pattern that I'm testing, and the one I finished the other one I was working on, but that pattern hasn't been released yet, so I can't show this, and this is a quick little tease preview for the other one I'm working on. It's a bulky cardigan. I'm using Premier's Bamboo Anti-Pilling Chunky Yarn. I'm pretty much done with the body. Finished the sleeves. I had an issue that I seamed one sleeve the wrong way, but I already woven the ends, and I had seamed it twice, so I need to redo that sleeve. I don't know if I'm running out of yarn or not, so I'm pretty stressed out about the whole thing. And I already made the second sleeve, so I'm working on the edging to see how much yarn I have left. I think the yarn right now is still on sale on Premier, so I may have to buy a bit more. I did shorten the pattern that I'm testing because it's supposed to be really long, and I'm short. I'm 5'2", and when I measured it, it was almost like a few inches above my ankles. I was like, holy cow. So I shortened it to about around my knees, and I've already used, and it's a size large, and I've already used 1,300 yards. And I think I only have about 1,400, 1,500 yards here at home. So I only had 14 skeins to start off with, and I have about like 2 skeins left, and each skein doesn't have a lot of yarn, which is 131 yards. And then after that, I have another pattern I am testing for a sweater, which will be in Tunisian crochet with some really cool like furry boucle yarn, and I've shown that in another previous video of mine. So if you guys can, check that out. Thank you so much for watching. That's kind of everything I wanted to go over. It was really mostly the unboxing. for the monthly subscription box that I wanted to talk about. If you like my content, please click like and subscribe. Thanks so much. And have a great weekend if you're watching this on the weekend, or have a great day. Thanks. Bye.